Hello guys, this is Jamil, and in this video tutorial I will show you how to add gradient to an editable text. So let's get started. First of all, select type tool, and here you can type any text. I am typing gradient. Hold on shift and increase this text, and now I want to add gradients to this text. So first of all, please go to color and none, select fill none, and go to window and appearance. You can check that there is no fill in the appearance panel, so create a new panel, add a new fill. Here is our fill, and now go to the gradient tool and select gradient, so we can change the color. So here we go. Now I want to make this copy of this text. Hold on Alt and drag this down. Now I want to edit this text to add. So here is our small tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more video updates. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.